Imagine being this close to graduation, one semester left, grades on point, dream job in sight, but your financial aid runs out. You're not failing school, school is failing you. That's the reality for thousands of students every year at HBCUs. But this week, something historic just happened. Billionaire Arthur M. Blank, co-founder of the Home Depot and owner of the Atlanta Falcons, donated $50 million to help HBCU students cross the finish line. But here's the question everyone's asking. How does that help you? And more importantly, how can you position yourself to benefit from this shift in funding, AI education, and opportunity? Because whether that 50 million touches your school directly or not, this moment marks the beginning of a larger movement. AI is opening new doors in education, and funding is following it. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era, especially today if you're a student or educator trying to figure out where you fit in the future of learning. Well, today we're breaking down how this $50 million donation works. Get how students can access and leverage these funds, and how AI is reshaping the entire path from classroom to career, especially for HBCUs and underrepresented students. Step 1. What this donation actually means for students. So let's get something straight. This isn't just free money sitting in a vault. When Arthur Blank donates $50 million, it's routed through the Arthur M. Blank Family Foundation to specific institutions. In this case, Clark Atlanta University, Spelman College, Morehouse College, and Morris Brown College. The funds go toward what's called completion scholarships. That means students who are close to graduating, usually within 30 to 45 credit hours, but have small financial gaps that prevent them from finishing, can get the support they need to stay enrolled. Think of it like this. If you're one semester short of graduation and your balance is $2,000, that gap can end your dream. But this fund is designed to close that gap permanently. It's a bridge between almost there and I did it. Step 2, how to access the funds. Now here's the part most people miss. You don't apply directly to Arthur Blank's foundation. Instead, you'll go through your school's financial aid or student success office. Each of the 4 HBCUs will manage its own portion of the donation. That means they decide how to identify students who qualify, typically based on GPA, financial hardship, and proximity to graduation. Here's how you can position yourself right now. Make sure your FAFSA is updated and accurate. Talk to your school's Student Retention or Success Center. Ask if they've received new completion grants or retention scholarships. Stay in touch with your academic advisor. They're often the first to know when new grants open. This is your opportunity to be visible, because closed mouths don't get funded. Step 3, the bigger shift, why AI matters here. Here's the deeper story most media outlets won't tell you. This donation isn't just about graduation, it's about preparation. Corporate philanthropy is shifting toward AI readiness and future workforce development. That means the money coming into HBCUs today is not only for tuition, it's for transformation. Foundations and corporations are asking, how can we help students not just graduate, but graduate ready for the next economy? And guess what that economy runs on? Data, automation, artificial intelligence. This is your cue to upskill now. Even if your major isn't technology, you can layer AI literacy on top of any degree and make yourself recession resistant. Step 4, How HBCU students can leverage this moment with AI tools. You don't have to wait for permission to prepare. Here's your Momentum Monday action plan. 1. Learn AI tools that boost academic performance. Use ChatGPT or Claude to summarize lectures or build study outlines. That one statement signals that you're not afraid of the future. You're part of it. 3. Join HBCU Innovation or AI Labs. Many HBCUs like Morehouse and Spelman are already piloting AI integration into their curriculum, from business analytics to ethics. Ask your department chair or career center if your campus offers AI workshops, hackathons, or certifications. Step 5. The ripple effect. Education equity meets innovation. Let's zoom out. When donors like Arthur Blank invest in HBCUs, they're not just paying bills, they're building infrastructure. They're saying, we believe in your potential. Now let's prepare you for what's next. That's why you're going to see more funding tied to AI, automation, and innovation labs on HBCU campuses. Because AI isn't just the tech tool, it's the new literacy. And literacy equals leadership. This means that students who learn to use AI responsibly will be the first in line for digital analyst internships, research assistant positions, ed tech fellowships, corporate training grants. This is your time to lead, not later, now. Step 6, 90-day student action plan. Here's how to turn this moment into momentum. Week 1 through 4. Meet with your financial aid office. Ask about completion grants or scholarships. Week 5 through 8. Enroll in one AI learning course. Free options include Coursera's AI for Everyone or IBM's AI Fundamentals. Week 9 through 12. Create your first AI-enhanced project, like a data-driven presentation, essay, or business plan, and showcase it on LinkedIn with the hashtag #AICoachImani. This is how you turn gratitude into growth. Step 7, final message. From donation to destiny. Arthur Blank's $50 million gift will change thousands of lives, but your mindset will determine whether you're next. Funding opens doors. AI helps you walk through them prepared. So if you're watching this from an HBCU or any college adapting to the new AI-powered world, remember, your education is the foundation. Your adaptability is the multiplier. And your action is the bridge. Because the future of education isn't just funded, it's evolving. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with a student who's one semester away from graduating. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow on Tips Tuesday, we're showing job seekers how to use free AI education and micro-credentials to land high-paying roles in 2025's new economy. I'll see you tomorrow, where your education meets evolution.